Today, I'm showing you how to fix the CapCut template not showing on TikTok on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Check for updates. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Step 2. Search TikTok. In the search bar, type TikTok and find the TikTok app. Step 3. Update TikTok. If you see an update button, tap it. Wait for TikTok to update to the latest version. Outdated versions may not show all features. Step 4. Restart TikTok. Close TikTok completely and reopen the app. Step 5. Look for template videos. Not all videos have CapCut templates. Scroll through your For You page and look for videos that use CapCut templates. Step 6. Search for templates. If you still don't see the button, tap the search icon and type CapCut template in the search bar. Step 7. Browse template videos. Search results show videos using CapCut templates. Tap on any video. Step 8. Find template button. On videos with templates, you'll see a CapCut Try This Template button on the right side of the screen. Step 9. Tap Try This Template. TikTok redirects you to the CapCut app. Step 11. Install CapCut if needed. If you don't have CapCut installed, TikTok prompts you to install it from the Play Store. Tap Install. Step 12. Select Media in CapCut. CapCut opens with the template ready. Select photos or videos from your gallery to use with the template. Tap Preview to see how your media looks with the template. CapCut automatically creates the video with effects and transitions. Step 13. Export video. If satisfied, tap Export to save the video. Choose your quality settings and export. Step 14. Share to TikTok. After exporting, share directly to TikTok or save to your gallery first. And that's it. You've fixed the CapCut template not showing on TikTok on your Android device.